Welcome to Organica. So the third topic in this unit is diuretics. So here the diuretic is a drug which increase the output of urine by the kidneys. So then that is known as diuretic. In our syllabus, so furosemide is there in our syllabus. So here diuretic increase the output of urine by the kidneys. So this drug, the furosemide, is given whenever immediate diuretic action is required for the patient. So here, and this drug is given to the patient who are suffering from edema, and that is associated with kidney, liver and heart disease. So that's why that drug is given to that patient. This drug acts as diuretic. Okay, I'm repeating again. Diuretic means which increase the output of urine by the kidneys. It is known as diuretic. Furosemide acts as diuretic. So here the diuretic is given to the patient whenever intense immediate diuretic action is required to that patient. So okay, so here the furosemide contains a carboxylic acid. So that's why when this drug is given to the patient, it causes intense urination within 30 seconds. Okay, so this drug causes loss of sodium, potassium and chloride ions. So it is widely used in the treatment of edema associated with kidney, liver and heart diseases. Okay, so here it is used especially when greater diuretic action is urgently required. Okay, so here some side effects is there for this drug. So that is loss of appetite and not interested to take the food, and next nausea, kadupulo tippadam lantidi, and vomiting sensation, weakness, hearing problems. So these are all the side effects caused when that patient take this drug. So here some contradictions. What are the contraindications? So here the persons who are suffering from hypertension, that is severe hypertension or liver disorder, should not use this furosemide. Remaining persons can use this one. Okay, so here persons who are suffering from severe hypertension, liver disorders, and should not use this furosemide. So okay, so it is synthesized by using 2,4-dichlorobenzoic acid. Okay, so when we close these two parts, so this is benzene ring, so this is COOH group, this is known as benzoic acid. So here at 2 and 4 positions there are chloro groups, so that's why it is known as 2,4-dichlorobenzoic acid. Okay, so when it is treated with sulfonyl chloride at elevated temperatures, then what happens? So here 4,6, so this is SO2Cl group is attached here, so that's why 1, 2, 3. So this is, then it is known as a carboxy group, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 6 dichloro, 3 carboxy benzene sulfonyl chloride group is formed. Okay, so the product is same, but the positions are different, because sulfonyl chloride is in the first position here. Here COOH group is in the first position. That is the difference in between those two. So here, so benzene ring, if COOH group is present on the benzene ring, it is benzoic acid. At 2 and 4 positions, 2 chloro groups are present. So that's why 2,4-dichlorobenzoic acid. Upon treated with sulfonyl chloride, we get 4,6-dichloro, 3-carboxy benzene sulfonyl chloride. The product is same like the reactant, but the difference is here a SO2Cl group is added here. And next, when it is treated with ammonia, then what happens? The remaining groups are as usual, but SO2Cl is converted as SO2NH2. So that's why 3-carboxy 4,6-dichloro benzene sulfonamide. Okay, the product name is known as benzene sulfonamide. So upon treatment with furfuryl amide, then we get furosemide. Okay, the product is as usual, but here Cl group is eliminated and NH remaining group, and the furfuryl amide is inserted into the ring. Okay, so this is known as furosemide. So like this way, we explain the diuretic action of furosemide. So what are the important points? Diuretic. Diuretic means which increase the output of urine by the kidneys is known as diuretic. Example for a diuretic is furosemide. There are so many examples, but in the syllabus we are having furosemide. And next, here this furosemide contains a carboxylic acid group and it causes an intense urination within 30 seconds. So this drug causes sodium loss of these ions, and this is given to the patient suffering from edema, and when the side effects of this drug is loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting. Okay, so contraindications are who suffers from severe hypertension, liver disorders should not use furosemide. Okay, so this is about the synthesis. So if you write the names and practice like this way, and you can construct the above matter. So like this way, 2,4-dichlorobenzoic acid treated with sulfonyl chloride on extreme temperatures or elevated temperatures, we get 4,6-dichloro 3-carboxy-benzene sulfonyl chloride. So that is the first point already given. Okay, so like this way, when you practice the synthesis equations along with their names, you can construct the matter. So no need to by heart this matter. Okay, so this is about furosemide. Thank you.